Hi friends, this is Maya again coming to you with another video, and this video we're going to be setting up the back patio and decorating the patio wall. Okay, so we're going to start with spray painting a sun. The sun I purchased from the dollar store for $1.25. I did not like the copper color that it was, so I got my family and my friends to help me to spray paint the sun a nice golden color. So we first started, we spray painted it, and then we left it overnight to dry, just to ensure that it was fully dry before we hang it up. So this is how it looks, guys, after the sun has dried. It's a nice golden yellow sun. It just rings summer when you just look at it. So then we went on to hanging up some butterflies. The sun, as I said, we paid $1.25 for it, but the butterflies cost $3. A little bit pricey, but I thought it was beautiful. I love the colors that was in it. This nice turquoise and purple butterfly, and I made sure I position it a little bit as in a way in which it looks like the butterfly is flying off out of the sun. Right? We also purchased a thermometer, and I thought it was important to hang up the thermometer, and I can view it from my window, guys. So that's when I look through the window, I can see what the temperature is outside. So we use some a drill hammer and some nails to hang these up, guys. I also purchased these water lilies and hang them up as well. Those cost $1.25 each. And then I also did that trellis that you see. I hang it on the wall instead of hang it in the garden. And it was perfect for that side of the wall. So on the opposite side of the wall, guys, I wanted to make this maybe a word gallery. And so I purchased some stuff from the dollar store, like a decorative mirror. And I make sure to hang it low enough so that the reflection doesn't interfere with the birds flying and they end up flying into the mirror or something like that. The arrow, I started to put it at an angle. It says to follow the arrow wherever it might point, and then the heart, it says enjoy the little things. So that's going to be a word gallery, as I said, and I'm going to add a few more stuff when I do find things that's good for the outdoor. I'll hang it on that. So next, my friends, I grabbed the patio set from the basement. I did a little bit of dusting of it, and then I set it up. Make sure it's set in a way that it's actually can encourage conversation with the family or friends to enjoy. Now, this patio set I purchased at Disc, and it was $2.99, I believe, and I bought it maybe a year ago. It's a nice size for me, nice size for my backyard, and I love it. Then I add on the center table, I add a candle holder set that I purchased at the thrift shop for, I think it was only $2, and so I decided to put it outdoor because it didn't suit the indoor. And that's another thing, guys. Pull stuff from the outdoors, pull stuff from the indoors to outdoors. It's totally okay. And then in that way we repurpose, we can recycle stuff. If you notice, I don't have any cushions on the chair as yet because I cannot find ones that I really like. So I'm gonna be looking. Now I also added a spider plant and also just grass, and I haven't found a nice pot to put it in as yet. I don't know what exactly I'm looking for, but when I see it, I'll know it. And I might just DIY something that I found at the thrift shop, or I'm probably going to look in my basement to see if I could find something to repurpose or reuse. And that's basically it, guys. So as you can see, this is the view of me looking out through the windows, and this is how the patio looks. I'm sorry that I didn't have any before pictures, but I don't know what happened. But this after picture looks beautiful. It's a beautiful space out there, and it just encourage gathering. It encourage friendship. It just encourage, it just encourage us to go outside and soak up the sun, soak up the summer, and just enjoy ourselves. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and comment. Thank you for watching, and don't forget, not everybody wonders is lost, and always strive for something better. Thank you.